Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming access and capability. Sign into your Spectrum account and verify Cloud DVR is active on your plan. Once done, open the Spectrum TV app or website and make sure your streaming device or phone is on the same Wi-Fi network so recordings sync. You want the app updated. Older versions block new features. Now navigate to Live TV listing and select the program you intend to record. This first action initializes the cloud recording permission and metadata. Now choose precisely what to record. Pick a single airing or opt for series recording when available. This saves you time later. You should select quality, HD if you need clarity, SD to conserve cloud space, and set rules like record only new episodes versus every airing. Make sure retention settings and storage limits match your needs so recordings aren't deleted unexpectedly. Once configured, confirm the recording. The app queues it in the cloud and shows status so you know it's scheduled. To finish, verify the scheduled item appears in my library and watch a short portion when it publishes to confirm successful recording and playback. If the show doesn't appear, make sure your account still includes Cloud DVR, the recording wasn't preempted by a conflict, and the app synced with the server. Sometimes a quick app restart forces proper sync. If problems persist, reboot the device and contact Spectrum support with the scheduled time and program name so they can investigate further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.